told you when we talked, I said, you have been one busy girl.
I know. And I was saying, can 2022 just be
normal
and
whatever
calm?
normal is going to be for you.
I know,
let's
right?
see what happens. What is one piece of advice that you can give to new widows that you would like to give?
Yeah. I would say that you know yourself best. And if you have children, you know your children best. And you have to do whatever you need to do that is best for you and or your children, regardless of what anyone else tries to tell you. I was always so worried about what people would think with every decision I would make regarding the boys or myself or anything. And I was always trying to please everybody else. And I would get advice from so many people and they mean well, but I was the only one that knew what was best for my boys. And so if that meant they don't go to school for a week because they need to be home lying in bed with me and watching TV, I knew that was what they needed. But on the outside, I'm hearing people saying they need routine. They need to be in school. You can't coddle them. And it's like, you know what? I would tell you, you do what is best for you. And I would say, and you have to take care of yourself too. If you're a mom and you are a widow, you've got to take care of you. And I waited too long to do that. I wish I would have taken care of myself sooner because I feel like my boys would have started the healing process sooner. Because if we're not okay, we can't be a good mom to our children, and we can't be good to ourselves either. So take care of you, however that is.
Yeah. I just think in your situation, it was like you were doing what you needed to do and you just did not have that time. You weren't given that time because of all of your obligations that you had,
Yeah.
So